The Dream Ranch, event venue located in Wolf City, Texas, 20 minutes away from Greenville.
Hey guys, welcome to the Dream Ranch. Established in 2022 for events and weddings. Come follow us around, let's go.
First stop is the Elegance, our largest indoor wedding venue.
And this is 9,000 square feet and accommodates up to 250 guests.
Come on,
go
we'll
check
show
it
you
out.
around.
Alright.
So as soon as we enter the Elegance, the first thing we see is this beautiful walk-up in the 8 stalls to our left. The Elegance wedding venue also accommodates ladies and men dressing rooms. So let's first go check out the ladies.
Hey guys. Alright, so just when you start walking into the room, you can see that the room's accents are very green, pink, and white. And right here we have a very nice velvet couch where the girls can sit and relax. And behind you we have 2 vanity mirrors with a light up option where you can do your makeup or whatever you need to with the perfect lighting.
Finally, each room can also accommodate 1 bathroom per person. Doesn't include a shower, but in case anyone needs to get ready, we have that as well.
Alright, and now let's go see what the groom's or men's side looks like. Alright, so we just saw the ladies' dressing room, and now let's see the gentleman or the groom's dressing room.
So as we walk in, the first thing we see are 2 couches and a vanity mirror, the bigger one.
Now let's take a look at the spacious indoor hall. Our indoor hall can comfortably accommodate up to 250 guest count. Here is the sample from Night View Reception Decor.
This is the Dream Ranch events, newly laid turf for the cocktail evenings, and you see the party decor and the preparation for tonight's wedding reception.
Welcome to the Dream Ranch's #1 ceremony area, the Avenue. As you enter the Avenue, past this beautiful wooden trellis, you see a triangular arch that serves as a very unique backdrop for photographs. The arch can be styled with florals or is simple to decorate, and can be used just as is to match your theme. The area itself can accommodate up to 100 guests with the bench turf seating available, and 200 guests with the additional chair arrangements.
No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.
Here is one other event space which we call it as the Grove. To beat the Texas heat, this is the best alternate option to have ceremony or pre-wedding gatherings covered under the shade of trees. We also have on-site accommodation that can accommodate up to 16 guests. And finally, here we show you one more event space around the pool area. Perfect place for small or intimate gatherings such as baby showers, gender reveals, sweet 16, bride parties, and much more. We hope you like this virtual tour of the Dream Ranch where your dreams come true. Visit our website https://dreamranchevents.com for more details.